Tedward here, welcome back to the vlog. We are gonna go put the end links on this GTI because we only did the sway bar last time because we didn't have the end links. So now let's complete the job and stiffen up the rear. First, let's get it up on the lift. Johnny's home. She's not coming off, so we've got to give it full power.
These are the stock sway bar end links. We are replacing them with these beautiful new spherical end links from 034 Motorsports. You can tell the gains are significant, as they say.
So this is just plastic garbage. These are the stock end links from Volkswagen, and they are not very pretty. They're basically plastic, and they flex.
It was so bad, we actually, the first time we did this, if you watch the video, David had to weld on a secondary piece so we could get it back together because it broke inside the sway bar. Why don't we just weld a nut onto that?
It's like surgery. Oh, we just broke one. Oh shit.
Sway bar.
Now these are the new ones. These are the new ones. These are the 034 Motorsports end links.
Got nice,
beefy, solid metal.
These two pieces are the spacers, and they go in here like that. And the bolt is gonna go through this to the other side, and that connects the end link to the loader controller.
It's through. Oh. There we go.
And then we have new hardware that goes with it.
Oh, right there. Good job. All right, leave that loose for now.
Nice. And so then you're gonna connect
That piece.
that piece.
I'm
Look how much
assuming.
nicer this hardware is that we're putting in compared to the old shit. Look at the quality difference between those two.
She's so neat. She's fake. All right, bring.
So is it gonna go through like that, or is it gonna go?
No, I think the nut's on the other side.
So this side.
Yeah, because that's how it was. Well, actually, check the directions. I don't want to fuck this up. The picture looked kind of sketchy, but. Yep. We had it on the top, correct? You had it on the top one?
Yeah, you want the
Stiffest.
Yeah. Well,
yes, yes, you do.
It has to be done. No.
Also, remember, there's no load on it. When there's load on it, it'll go up, so everything will straighten out.
Now, Skeeter, we don't want no trouble around here. We don't take kindly to people who don't take kindly around here.
What? Because we were doing loud things with and my ear was right next to it. And I'd like to have my hearing until I'm at least 30, so yeah.
So far, so good for Tedward.
Oh, the new hardware. Yeah, no, it feels so smooth. Can someone look up the torque specs on this?
Hey, right here, buddy.
Yeah.
In order to torque these end links to spec, we've got to compress the springs a little, the lower control arm a little bit. So we're gonna lower the car and compress the spring, and then we'll be ready to go. We want this to straighten out a bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and torque her down.
No, I'm tight. I was waiting for Zach or David to come. There it is.
And there it is, we're torqued to spec. We're gonna throw the wheels back on it and take it for a ride. If confidence is what you want out of your Mk7 GTI, you have to get this rear sway bar.
Yeah, the rear sway bar end links combo.
This has changed the game.
Yeah, it's a new car.